Games when in 800 meters final after 36 long years India got the gold medal, and it couldn't have been better than that because Jenson Johnson was defeated by Manjeet Singh defeated in the 800-meter finals by Manjeet Singh. And what a sensational last of 50 meters that Manjeet Singh took. He got his personal best timing there of 1 minute 46.15 seconds. And here we go with the start of that. Here he is, Manjeet Singh, also competing here. So is Ajay Kumar Saroj. These two are the athletes that are favorite in this race, but all the athletes are competent enough. Ajay Kumar Saroj from Allahabad. His best timing is 3 minutes 43.97 seconds. He is currently up ahead, as you can see, and just behind him is Rahul from Delhi. A lot will change as we are approaching towards the point where they just completed the 300 meters. Harinder Kumar is there, closely following the leaders at the third position from the outside, making some good moves. The other athletes are trying to compete and remain onto the track. It's going to be very, very tough. Ajay Kumar Saroj is still maintaining the edge on the field, doing very well there. At the second position is Rahul. Something has to be done by all the other men to catch the pace. From the outside, making some good move there is Ajit Kumar of Gujarat. Now he is finding his place at the sixth position there, but still maintaining the edge on the rest of the field is Ajay Kumar Saroj. Just following him closely. At the second position is Rahul of Delhi. Harinder Kumar is currently at the third position there, and Manjeet Singh, the gold medal winner on the 800 meters from the Jakarta, is currently at the back. In fact, he has now started to pick up. Something has to be done by that man. 2 more laps to go for these athletes. After that, in fact, now they have completed half of that as well. So 1.5 more laps to go. Ajay Kumar Saroj is still maintaining the edge, and still the order is virtually the same. Rahul is at the second position, and Harinder Kumar is at the third position there. So 2 athletes from Delhi giving tough competition to athletes from Allahabad, formerly known Allahabad, and nowadays we call it as a Prayagraj. As we are approaching towards the bend, and from there they will go towards the point where they will get the bell. It's going to be a sprint-like finish. That's I can assure you of that, because all the athletes are looking very promising. From the behind, Manjeet Singh has increased his pace. Ajay Kumar Saroj not losing his edge, and Ajay Kumar Saroj looking quite promising there. Is still maintaining his edge. Still at the first position there. Rahul is closely following him, and now these 3 men, the 2 men from Delhi, that is Rahul and Harinder Kumar, has decided to go ahead and giving tough competition to Ajay Kumar Saroj, but Ajay Kumar Saroj is still maintaining his edge. From behind, Rahul is closely following him. These 3 men have moved ahead. Something has to be done extra hard from the other men from behind. Manjeet Singh Chahal has increased his pace. Like, can he produce the same moment that he produced at Jakarta? And he is now at the 4th position, but Ajay Kumar Saroj under threat from Harinder of Delhi. Harinder of Delhi is trying his luck from the outside, but Ajay Kumar Saroj is holding to his inner line. That's quite a good strategy by him. Ajay Kumar Saroj not giving any inch of his space. Rahul is also trying very hard from behind, but these 2 athletes are taking down to the wire. It's Ajay Kumar Saroj and Harinder. Both the athletes are trying so hard, from athletes from Delhi and UP. Manjeet Singh Chahal is also trying very hard. Now he's up to the third position, but Ajay Kumar Saroj is ahead, comfortably ahead, and he won that contest. At second position was the athlete of Delhi, that was Harinder Singh and Harinder Kumar, and Manjeet Singh Chahal. He waited in the wings, and finally he got the bronze position in that tight finish. What a race and what a performance from these guys. And we have the athletes from Uttar Pradesh, Delhi and Haryana finishing at the first, second and third position, courtesy Ajay Kumar Saroj, then Harinder Kumar and Manjeet Singh Chahal. What a finish by these guys. And you can see that all the athletes are running at a very close pack, and here you can see, and from the outside all the other athletes are moving the move. It's Manjeet Singh Chahal who is at the 4th last position there, and he reserved a good amount of energy in his legs, and that's what the strategy is all about. And here you can see that at the final bend they are approaching, and a tough competition, as you can see. And here you can see that the tough competition is going on between the first three, but suddenly you can see the explosion of speed from Manjeet Singh Chahal from behind, and Ajay Kumar Saroj, he knew that pressure is emerging from Harinder Kumar. Harinder Kumar is giving him a lot of pressure, and Harinder Kumar totally followed him till the end. He knew, and Manjeet Singh Chahal outpaced Rahul from Delhi, and he could not get the silver medal position, and he has to contend with the bronze medal position there. Ajay Kumar Saroj finished the race at the first position. We are waiting for the official timings of all the athletes. Here we are. Ajay Kumar Saroj got the first position in that